We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. Here's what one of them had to say. Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for them and all of our customers, providing the best service possible for now and in the future. We strive hard to achieve this. So whether you are somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen and have a great day.